In this video, we're going to compare two powerful tools for small businesses, Melio and QuickBooks. We'll look at how they work, their features, and most importantly, their pricing. Also, check out the link in the description for more resources and helpful guides. So let's start with Melio. So from the screen here, you can see that Melio focuses on payments. You can import invoices directly, forward them from your email, or pull them in front of accounting software. It's designed to keep things simple and payment focused. So, for example, let's say you're a freelancer who hires other contractors for projects. With Melio, you can just forward their invoice to the system and pay them directly through your bank or credit card without the hassle of cutting checks. Now let's switch over to QuickBooks. So in here, you'll see shortcuts for creating invoices, recording expenses, and depositing payments. The dashboard also gives you a snapshot of your profit and loss, expenses, and bank accounts. QuickBooks is built to give you more control over your overall financial picture. So just imagine you're running a small retail store. You don't just need to pay bills. You also need to track inventory, record daily sales, and see whether your business is profitable at the end of the month. QuickBooks gives you all those tools in one place. So here's where the difference comes in. Melio is like a smart payment processor, simple and straightforward. It's great if you just need to handle bills and payments without dealing with full accounting. QuickBooks, on the other hand, is a full accounting system. This is packed with more tools for businesses that needs in-depth tracking. So think of this way. Melio is like a quick and easy mobile banking app, while QuickBooks is more like a full financial office on your computer. One is light and simple, the other is powerful but requires more learning. And when it comes to ease of use, Melio is much more simpler. You don't really need to know accounting terms or complex categories to get started. QuickBooks, on the other hand, gives you more features, but it can be overwhelming at first if you're new to accounting software. But it really depends on how much control and detail you want over your finances. So Melio works best for business owners who want to spend less time on bookkeeping. QuickBooks works best for people who either already understand accounting or don't mind learning. So if you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description. This will help us make more videos. Now, here is the big question. Which one actually saves you more money, Melio or QuickBooks? Let's break down the pricing. So on the screen, you'll see QuickBooks offers multiple plans. The simple plan starts at 107 pesos per month. The essentials plan starts at 158 pesos per month. And the plus starts at 226 pesos per month. And the advanced starts at 429 pesos per month. Each plan comes with more advanced features, from basic income and expense tracking all the way to detailed reporting and unlimited chart of accounts. Melio, on the other hand, has a free plan for single users, and its paid plan starts just at $2.50 per month for core, and $5.50 for boost, and $8 for unlimited. Even at full price, it's much cheaper compared to QuickBooks. So, which one is right for you? So if you just need simple bill payments and a free option, Melio is perfect. But if you need full accounting, reports, and more detailed financial tracking, QuickBooks is the better choice. And remember, even though they're separate tools now, you can always decide which one matches your business needs the best. So for example, a solo freelancer might be totally fine just using Melio to handle payments. But a small company with employees, inventory, and multiple accounts will likely need QuickBooks for the extra control and detail. And that's the breakdown of Melio versus QuickBooks. I hope this video helps you pick the right tool for your business. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more videos like this. And I've added the link in the description where you can learn more about both platforms. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.